Yo!
You wanna know what really sucks? Being sick. On the first day of my new show, nonetheless. But you know, I'm gonna do it anyway for you guys, cause I love you. Needless to say, last few days haven't been that fun. But I've pretty much just been sitting on my booty this whole time, and I figured why not get something done. So here you go, guys. I'm gonna show you how to draw something. And naturally, to get the ball rolling, I guess I'll just show you how to draw my avatar. You know, this guy right here. Basically, being a pilot episode, I'm gonna rely on you guys recommending me stuff in the comments below so that we don't have to do disinteresting stuff like me. I apologize for being so disinteresting. So for this how to draw series, I'm just gonna be using a normal Sharpie. I'm not gonna show you how to color anything because if you don't know, I'm pretty colorblind. Well, let's open the page. There we go. So basically, I always like to start out with the little hair curls that are at the top of my head, like this. It's already coming along so nicely. And then of course you gotta get the sideburn action in. Bam. Bam. Turkey in hand. Oh my gosh. I am sick. And of course you gotta round out the face. I drew that, you see? Just finish up the hair and make sure it's all wavy and stuff. A little bit curly, but just a kind of bit of wavy too. And I'm not really sure why, but I like to draw a piece of hair that just kind of does its business in the back of my hair. Like this. Boom! Now we can go ahead and do the body. I usually start out with the neck and then go for the hoodie. So hey, that's pretty cool, but now we gotta add the arms and stuff, cause you know, I have those. But wait a minute, Cudgle. There's one key there's something you're missing. What's that, viewer? I'm missing something? Of course, how could I forget? The smiley face on my hoodie. But wait a second, I think I'm missing one more thing. Click on the part that Cudgle's missing. Never mind, this isn't frickin' Dora. Basically for the face you can draw pretty much anything. For example, I went with this. Isn't it beautiful? It really tells about my inner torment and the struggle that I have with life. I express myself through art, and this is my art. Well guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. Oh yeah, I'm sick. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below what you want to see drawn next, and if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go take some medicine.
This video is so confusing because you filmed it a few weeks ago, so you're not sick anymore, but in the video you are. So my question is, why am I able to tell the difference between the version of you in the video and the current version of you?
Robert, I don't even know where you are right now, but I'm not in the mood for your shenanigans, okay? Actually, you know what, Robert? You should go ahead and do the videos from now on until I'm better.
What the tits? You already are better.
So yeah, guys, this is now Robert's channel. He's gonna make the next video, probably. I hope you guys understand. I'm pretty sick right now, and he's capable, I guess. I'm not really sure if he's an artist. The only thing I know about him is that he despises, like, the concept of everything. But whatever, I think he's a pretty cool guy. He should be able to run this channel from now on. Cause you know, if I do end up dying from this, probably just a cold, then you know, he's gonna be the first guy I tell to run my channel.
This is so goddamn confusing. Am I back in time or some shit? I really don't know.
But anyways, guys, see ya!